Want to learn to speak a new language fluently without the anxiety of talking to a real person? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Talkpal, an AI-powered language coach that lets you practice speaking, listening, writing, and pronunciation anytime, right from your device. Whether you want to learn Spanish, Japanese, French, or any of over 130 different languages, Talkpal uses advanced AI to make language learning feel like a natural conversation. To get started, just head over to talkpal.ai. They currently offer a 14-day free trial of their premium features, which is the perfect way to test it out risk-free. Once you sign up and choose your target language, you can dive straight into immersive dialogues. The best part? The AI doesn't just talk to you, it gives you real-time, personalized feedback and active corrections. If you make a grammar mistake, Talkpal will gently correct you so you actually learn from your errors. You can practice using voice-to-text, meaning you literally talk to the AI and it responds back with a natural voice. According to featured user reviews on the App Store, learners absolutely love using this as an alternative to expensive private tutors, especially if they don't have native speakers nearby to practice with. Users also highly praise the progress tracker and statistics dashboard that help you see your improvement over time. Now, because our external review sources for this tool are currently limited to these featured App Store testimonials, we always recommend taking advantage of that 14-day free trial to see if the AI's flow and voice quality work well for your specific learning pace. If you are tired of just memorizing vocabulary cards and actually want to start speaking, head over to talkpal.ai. Start your free trial and let me know in the comments which language you are planning to learn first. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. See you in the next one.